Hello everybody. Welcome to EVUS speaking test today. So tell me, what's your name?
Em Ngomanan.
How are you today?
I'm 6 years old.
How are you today?
I'm good.
You're good. And how old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Very good. And tell me, what color is it?
Red,
No. Blue.
blue,
And
green,
green. So tell me, what's this?
chair.
Chair. It's a.
It's a chair.
Very good. And what letter is it?
A.
A for.
A for apple.
And B for.
B for bus.
Very good. And C for.
C for cat.
Very good. And tell me, what number is it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And tell me, which country is it? The last question for you.
Vietnam.
Very good. So I think you did very great job. That is also the end of the speaking test today. Let's say goodbye to our audience.
Bye.